welcome to my channel My Style My World. My name is Tasnim and I'm from India. So today I'm going to show you how I created this look. It is a smoky eye with some glitters and with a nude glossy lips. If you like the video, please watch out how I created the look, and if you like it, please give a thumbs up to my video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So I have moisturized my face well first, and then I have done my eyebrows as well. Now let's start with the eye. So I'm taking this Maybelline concealer in the shade medium wine, shade number 25. So let me apply this thing in my eyes. I'm taking this gel liner from Maybelline and applying it in my eyelids. Take a little bit of gel liner, not much of it. I'm doing with both eyes. Base very now I'm gonna use this brush for my crease. I'm gonna smudge it out very lightly. Intensifying that black with one more layer. You just need to apply this black liner on your lid, not near crease. You just smudge it out with a crease brush to the crease area. Same crease brush and smudge out the outer line of this shadow. Now I'm gonna take a brown shade in my crease area with this brush. With the help of this brush, I'm gonna apply this in my crease area. It will give it very intensified look to my eyes. I'm gonna take this shadow. This is the palette from Makeuprevolution, Ultra Professional Eyeshadow, Eyes Like Angels, and there is a color. It looks like blackish shimmery color. You can take any kind of like blacky colors, or even you can take a matte black as well if you don't have this type of black. This one will so it has some glitters in it, like it has lots of shimmer in it. So you can take if you don't like shimmer, you can go for some matte black eyeshadow as well. So I'm taking this and applying in my lid. So I have applied it, and I'll take this smudger brush to smudge away the edges. It should not look like a harsh line on your eyelid, so I'm just like blending it a bit. Now I'm taking a glitter. It's called, it's from Kryolan, and its shade is Golden Spark. For that I have to use this glitter glue. And with this help of this. I'm applying glitter glue in my middle of the eye. I want the glitter to be just middle of my eyelid. With the help of this small brush, I'm gonna apply this. I'm taking this kind of this look like white in this bottle, but it looks like golden. The glitters are really golden. So it kind of gives you a gold color in your eyes. I have almost done with my eyes. Just now I have to apply some mascara. If I'm not applying any kind of eyeliners in my upper line, but if you want to do it, you can do it. It's nothing like that, but I like the way it is. So I'm gonna apply mascara. Love this mascara. It's from Maybelline. It's called the Falsie Push-Up Drama. Like, you don't need falsies after using this one. It really works well. But yes, it's not waterproof. So okay, I have almost done with my eye makeup. I'm gonna add some shimmers. I'm gonna add some highlight in my brow bones. I'm taking this brush, this pencil brush, to define my brow bones. If you're wondering what palette I'm using, this is from Fareset, Fareset. I will give the details for this palette on my description bar, so you can check it out. I have finished with my eye makeup, and now I'm going to move to my foundation routine and I'm gonna done my all makeup done and show you how it looks after my whole face done. Okay, watch it. So I have done with my foundation work and powdered my face well. Right now I'm going to add some blush on my face. So I have added my blush. Right now I'm gonna add some highlighter. For a glossy look, you can add some more highlighters on your face. Like, I love, look at, in the winter season, I just love the glossy look. Focus? Yeah, it's perfect. So the shade is SMLC 18 Prague. It's from, basically it says soft matte lip cream. I love this shade. Next, I'm gonna apply this gloss from Revlon, I guess. I just no clue from where I got it. I think it's from Revlon, orange tinted glass. So I'm just finished with my face, like all makeup done, and hope you like it. And if you like it, please subscribe to my channel, give it thumbs up to it. And yes, this is my first video, and it's dedicated to my friend Sonia and my sister Nash. Thank you for being so nice to me. Thank you so much. Bye.